What happened on my first pop-up event? I'm going to tell you all about this in this video, and also few mistakes you should avoid. Minimum 5 that you should avoid whenever you're doing your pop-up event. I'm going to tell you in a few minutes what you can do and how to prepare for your next pop-up event. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Elizabeth Quest, and I am gonna tell you everything that happened the last pop-up event that I had. And well, as you can see, this is how it turned out. We set it up really nice. It took us about an hour and a half to set everything up. And the thing is that I was running late. I literally forgot my laptop, so they had to send somebody to get it. And then my printer didn't work. I had to go and buy a cable for the printer. This is one of the orders that I had that day. I didn't really sell a lot. I feel like since nobody really knows me and I had to sublimate items, I feel like it's not the environment. I don't know, but this is how I was creating the mini tumbler shot that I had. I sold about 4 of these, and that's basically what I sold. But I did get to experience the opportunity to be in a pop-up event. I wasn't sure how it would turn out. I was nervous, and to the truth, it kind of made me more confident for the next pop-up that I will be having the next following weekend. So mistake number 1, always bring a printer cable, because internet never rely on Wi-Fi because it just didn't want to connect. So always have a printer cable for your printer to connect to your computer if you're going to do a sublimation pop-up event. Mistake number 2, make sure that you pack up everything a day before, because then you'll be rushing and you'll be running late. Step number 3, number 3 mistake I would say is that I don't know, have some products already pre-made. I feel like if I had some products pre-made, I would have sold more, but it was fine. I was actually happy because I was able to experience it. Mistake number 4 would be that bring water, Gatorades, refreshments. I didn't bring any of that. I should have brought some Gatorades because I had a really bad headache. Also take some, medication just in case that you had those headaches and stuff. And I feel like the last mistake that I think you should consider is having your checklist, because I kept forgetting a bunch of stuff. So I had to send my niece back home to grab my stuff. But guys, everything it was pretty good. I wish I had um I wish I had a pre-made stuff so that I could have sold a little bit more. I didn't. But that's, I guess, how pop-up events work. I'm not sure. Going to the next one on Houston and next weekend. And I'm going to tell you everything that happened on the next one. I feel like a little bit more confident on it, and I'm very excited about it. Yeah, so I had so many, the organizer, she was pretty cool. I liked it. I'm telling you, like, if I didn't have my family, I don't think I would have been able to really did this the way I planned it, because it was so much stuff that I had to take. Literally took 2 vans to take all my stuff, because I had to take all the machines, the tent, the chairs, the table, all the equipment. And then before that, I had to prepare for that. I had to make my own, shopping bags with my information. And another mistake, so bonus, I guess, always have an extra business cards created or stuff like that, because, then you wouldn't know what to give, you know, what to offer. And sometimes they just want information so that later they can contact you. And well, I didn't have that, and I think that's another bonus mistake that I literally did, and maybe you should avoid. And what else did I do? I actually think that um having having not a lot of designs and just focus on one niche design would have been better, because that way people know me as the go-to person design of these items. So basically, let's say I want to do all dogs and cats, then all my designs should be all dogs and cats so that people, when they see me, oh, look, they have the dogs and cats designs or butterfly designs or car designs or whatever. I think you should focus on one thing and just do that. I don't necessarily think you should have like copyrighted items, because well, you don't want to get in trouble, and I don't feel comfortable doing that. So yeah.
It was not a perfect pop up event. I didn't really earn a lot of money with it, but it was fun and it was a great experience. I would recommend it if you were like to create your own. But I'm actually gonna do the other video next time so you can see it. So see you on the next one.